Haha, you're so funny. You're funny. Doesn't matter who you are, doesn't matter what you say. I'm Shell Shocker and I'll never ever change. You can tell me what you want, you can be a fucking bitch. You can run around the room calling me a fucking snitch. I'm the kind of guy that hits it hard in your face, dropping down on the world and I fucked up the place. Tagging on the roads and I'm standing on the streets, hopping on Facebook, jumping what you see. This world that you live in is just a misery. So why don't you show your fucking face and stop hating on me? You wanna take a moment where you're trying to get some fame, but you know for a fact that your rhymes are all fucking lame, cause you're writing it down on pen and paper. Think about it now, I just need to hit you with a stapler. But when I walk around, you better jump real fast. I can stay right here, cause this is where it's at. Turning corners, now I'm spitting and I don't care where I'm heading, but I'm keeping everything inside of this world that you are writing. Had to think about it, don't need to think about it. So what you gonna say when I come up and I smack you in the face, little bitch? Talking me a little bitch? Little bitch, what? Little bitch, say? What? Get the fuck away. You're playing in a childish game and I'm Shell Shocker coming to knock ya. The beat keeps thumping, let my head keep running. Let your mouth keep running, cause that's all you do. Run your mouth, leave my face look big. Run your mouth, talk about how I can get laid. Yeah, I post on my chest, and if you got a problem with that, you can take it out with the rest. But I'm telling you right now, I don't play. Yeah, so before you step up and try to make another video, taking one of my pictures and turn it into something that you know nothing about, you can keep running your mouth. I'll fucking make you head south. I'm not afraid, I'm not gangsta, but I'll tell you right now, I don't fucking play games anymore. So, what you gotta hide from? Why you not showing your face? Why you gotta hide behind a picture of me? It's bad taste. Doesn't understand it, you never will. So why the fuck you gotta take a pill and chill and know that you're not giving me a thrill? Cause my friends are making fun of you on Facebook. Punch you in the face, give you one left hook. I'm telling you right now, don't give a shit. We don't give a shit about what the fuck you have to say or fucking spit. So why don't you stop? 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 Before I put out all the things on you, I got your cell phone number and I know you're at the ODPA, so it doesn't really matter, that's all I have to say. So when you come back, you better stop now, cause you're messing with the wrong fucking crowd. I'm telling you right now, turn my hat forward, talk to you right now. This is a war, you wanna start, I'm finishing it. I'm Shell Shocker, I never quit, but I'm telling you right now, this is it. It's over, it's done. No more games, no more talking shit, no more posting stupid rhymes, no more being a bitch. So Cassie, go into your little home and let me call the dog whistle. Here, Lassie, come here, dog. What's that? Huh? What's that? Cassie sucks. I guess it's over. You got nothing left. I might have spoiled ya. So take the world into your own game. Try to think about it now when you can do words in a play. But think about it, everything is off the top of my head. I turn my head this way. You don't know what I'm about to say. What's that? Cassie fell in the well? Oh well. Fuck it.